Nobody scramble for candy. Sarah, it's your fault. Allison have another turn. Take it out, Ty. Let me take it. Let me see it. Let me see it, Ty. Let go. Let go.
Don't break it. It's just a headband. I know. Don't break easy. Hey, let me get under that. Don't touch it. I'm trying to keep this baby away.
Yeah, save those bags.
Isn't that pretty?
No!
What? She just wants to look at yours.
Just wants to look at it.
Okay. Oh boy.
I'm gonna put my
Cammy
toy
went down to get her pillow.
This is Jamie.
I think Cammy's gone down to get her pillow. Did you go down to get your pillow? Oh, get a drink.
I'm gonna get a drink too.
Grab the stone.
And here's your ribbon.
I don't want to end it.
Yours is
Come
look
here. Yours is the purple one.
with the pretty
See the
rainbow.
purple right here on the outside? And a rainbow inside? There you go. You got the right one now.
Got that one too.
There's one right
See, now maybe your mother will have you sample on the
here.
top.
Thought maybe you could stencil it in.
Oh, that's a great idea.
What is it?
We could even stencil a picture on it if you wanted.
Goodness sake.
What's
Oh,
that,
look at
Jamie?
that.
This is Tara at Grandma Stone's house. What you doing, huh? Everyone else in the family is sick today. And Tara saw that it was snowing, so decided to come out in the snow and shovel. They cut down the old tree this fall.
Not yet, not yet. Can I put in the garbage?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allison. Yes, I do. Birthday to
It
you.
needs to be on to film. Turn it on.
Okay, blow them out. Real hard.
Blow.
Harder. Make a wish. You're supposed to make a wish.
Oh, good. You got that one. Get one more.
Make a wish before you blow it.
All right. Everyone clap. Yay.
Oh, well. I went.
Good job, Allison.
Hey, Cossack woman.
I'm making a snowman.
Hey, Matt. Hey, Katie. Wave. Good job.
We've been throwing snowballs.
Oh. Oh, you're making a snowman, huh? Hello, cat.
Look at Daddy.
Hi there. There's Renee and Adam. Hi, Adam.
What if we go down a hill and we bump into the car?
Well, then Matt will stop you. Go get on.
I want
This is the girls' slumber party. We've got Laura Prop visiting, and Rachel Rush, and where's Holly? Oh, there's Holly. Holly Loken, behind Jamie there. Can't hardly see her. There she is.
Allison!
And Allison and Jamie and Tammy and Tara.
And Tammy and Tara.
What a lot of noise.
Window, and they asked her. We have two in our house. We have two in our house. Wait. Mouses. We're talking about mouses. We're talking about guys.
This is Jamie Ann's chance at a slumber party with her cousins, Jennifer and Elena, and Christopher right there, and I guess Jalen's upstairs. But since Cami and Tara already had their slumber party 2 weeks ago, this is Jamie's turn. And Aunt Linda and Uncle Jeff.
You aren't ready to be sorry.
When we do the final rinse, we'll tell them 6 of our cards. Okay, are we done?
Not smart.
Hey, what are you doing out there?
I'm taking your picture. I like that little wiggly bottom. Who is that?
The average family must buy an American-made car. Well, no, it's like to buy any car differently. Okay, get back, kids. We're done washing this car. Now start on that other car. We've had those go home. What a gang, what a gang. This is the brigade to the parade.
I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna. I'll hold Christopher on the back. That's why you're taking a picture of her crying.
I'm taking a picture of Terrelyn going to the rescue.
Oh, Dad! Now you can get on. Christopher. Sarah, come on!
There goes Speeding Camille. Sarah. Linda. Jalen. Hi. You have to. You may not wear those shoes playing. But hurry up, and I need you to get the kickball. We'll play a kickball game.
Listen, I'll catch you.
Oops. Elena, don't get in the way. Get down.
I'll catch you, I promise. Close your eyes and I'll catch you. Hurry so the mosquitoes will fly off your head. On your mark. Get set. Go. Your shoes will stop it. Just put your shoes on the edge here. Let go. Let go. Come on, sweetheart. You catch it. Put your legs on the side and you won't go very fast. 1, 2, 3, get your leg in. On the inside. There you go. Okay, right here. Good girl. Now nobody catch me. Now let's go over on the other side, the smaller one. That's fun.
You do.
I don't even need to.
Hey, Linda, you wanted this catcher?
No. Good more. Good again. One more time. 2 more rungs and you'll get there. Good. 1 rung. Come on. The last one's right there. Move your hand. Swing. Come on. 1 more. 1 more. That's all. Go. 1 more. Oh, again. Good. Yay.
Good job, James.
Pam, I could... Caught on me and her.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Get her.
On the ground.
Go, run, run. Run, run to the base, Jenny.
Okay, get it, get it. Oh, Sarah made it.
Elena, come in.
Okay, only 1 base on an overthrow. Oh, girls, be careful.
Your knees are going to look at your knees.
Come on. Go. 5 to 3, they're winning. We gotta get some more out.
Kick it. Shit.
Oh, strike 1.
That's okay, Jim. That's kick it, Jim. Kick it. Kick it.
Oh, strike 2.
Jenny, no. Go back, sweetheart.
Hey, that doesn't count.
Jenny, Jenny.
Jenny. Jenny.
What a step.
Come on, kick it again. You're trying to kick it again.
Where am I? Dadgummit. Oh, there I am.
It's fun.
Okay, Jenny, up. All right, big slugger.
Yay, Jenny. Yay, Jenny.
Okay, roll it, Sam.
Yeah,
Get
that's
it.
one time. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Okay, Aunt Lindy's up. Oh, get her out! Oh, throw it! Oh.
Lena, no, stop, Lena, stop.
Jeff.
Wait a minute. This is not it.
Come on, run.
Get him! Get him! Run up and touch him. All right, touched her.
Huh? Touch your foot.
Touch him! Touch him! Touch Uncle Jeff.
Right there. There. Okay. Now twist. No.
Hang on. Go fast, Dad.
And we've got
Going fast.
Allison, Jennifer, Elena, Kimmy, Christopher, Jamie, and Sarah Loken.
Look at me!
Jamie, Allison, Cammy, Tara, and Sarah Loken.
What about me?
Christopher, Jalynn, and Susie Q, and Jamie Loken.
Hello!
How silly we are. Tara, Sarah, Allison, Jennifer, Elena, and Jalynn, Camille, Christopher, Jamie, Tara, and Sarah Loken.
So cute. Go faster! And don't spank us!
Well, with everybody sitting on the edge, it's tough to go fast.
Okay. In case it a photograph? No.
Linda.
Slam dunk for 2! Now, Kevin, don't let Mikey by you now. Okay, Mikey's got prioritized. He's racing on the court. Look out, Kevin. Wait, Kevin, he got by him. Wait, okay, Mikey, you dropped the ball. The ball's supposed to go in the basket. What are you doing? He dunks himself. Unpack their trunks so they can show you where... These elephants won't elephant. Pat Flora, Keith Terry, and Desiree Tedesco. But now it's rare that we learn that riding on the back of an elephant is nothing. That was a Misha. And now it's...
And he was dipping his breath.
Away. After such fancy dancing, all four take a well-deserved bow. And they will begin. Hopefully, they'll be making some new friends of all of you. Let her down a little bit, guys. Well, Desiree, just take a seat here and relax. I think what you can use right now is a nice, cool breeze. Now we'll fill this glass up, and Desiree will be feeling great.
And they'll introduce themselves in a watery sort of way. They too will be soaring through the air. Pictures over 60 million years ago. I'd call that dancing, folks. How about rising up and over? Chelsea received their cue, and they too will be going side by side, 30 feet to the bottom. Can they do it? Keep your fingers crossed. Can they do it? They did it! How about it for Scooter? Limbs disappeared altogether, and the front limbs developed into those pectoral flippers. But she receives her cue. Down she goes all the way, 30 feet to the bottom. Keep your fingers crossed. Stormy's up. Lawrence, and this is a pectoral flipper. This is what the whales use for steering. On the other end of the killer whale is the tail fluke. They use that for power. When they use both, they can maneuver while maintaining incredible and higher. If you are in the first row, you might want to be on the lookout because both. Out in the wild, killer whales have been known to travel at 35 knots for extended periods of time. What will be coming up next. First, we must ask our youngster Vicka to take her position in the center of our pool, and she'll get there by spy hopping. Well, this is a natural behavior which gets their eyes above the surface of the water, giving them a better view of their surrounding area. Yaka is already well into her run pattern. If you have a camera, you might want to get it focused just above Vicka as she takes her position. Yaka making her final turn to the right. Down she goes 30 feet to the bottom. Soon to rise up and over. She doesn't look nervous anyway. Okay, here comes Yaka. Always keep your eyes on the killer whales. You never know when or where that's going to happen. Tell you one place it could happen, that is in the wild. That is a natural behavior. Back of the killer whale is the dorsal fin. That's a stabilizer. But you're about to come face to face with the power plant of the killer whale, and that is one whale. And on some killer whales, those tail flukes have been known to measure as much as 6 feet in width. They'll use those tail flukes not only for propulsion, but also for communication. We ask that you sit back, relax, and listen to the sounds of the sea with both Yaka and Vicka. You are about to witness a long-distance form of communication among killer whales. Vicka! It is those powerful tail flukes that amongst killer whales who do what they do best. Well, what is that, you ask? Why, killer whales swim best. You are about to see a swimming behavior called porpoising. With this behavior, killer whales, while swimming, will break the surface of the water, thereby catching a fresh breath of air, and they don't have to slow down at all. I won't say much more. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask that you just sit back and watch. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Yaka with the porpoise run. Thank you. It's time now to feature our killer whales with some spectacular high jumping. Take a look up into the sky. To your left, you'll see a great big ball. Also to the left, you'll see our youngster, little Vicka. That is Vicka's target. She'll be asked to jump that full distance to touch that ball with her rostrum. And then you know what's going to happen? She's going to come back down. And when she does, she could displace some salt water. And not bad at all. But I've noticed that we've got quite a few boys and girls who are seated in the wet section. I got a question for those of you seated over to the right. Do you want to get wet? Do you want to get wet? Do you folks up there want to see these kids soak? No sooner said than hit. You could very well be wiped out. Wipe out it is. Ladies and gentlemen, don't go away because our killer whales will be presenting themselves one final time, affording you the opportunity for a final photograph. And we all hope that you do leave Marine World with a better understanding of why these animals were so highly regarded and even worshipped by some ancient civilizations. We suggest now you get your camera set to the left. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy your visit to Whale and Dolphin.
Come a little bit closer because I can't. A nice animal or is it? It's a nice animal. No animal's mean.
Alice Allison's not real happy at the moment. Poor little girl. Everybody else is over buying souvenirs. Allison is sad, sitting on the ground.
You will also notice that after each behavior, the cats will return to those seats before being asked to perform again. An excellent job by Marcon. This time Mike will be making a jump. Right over our 3-year-olds, Solano and Vallejo. Sarang will also jump over the tube. Only this time Ron asks his youngsters to sit up. Beautifully done by Sarang, Solano, and Vallejo.
The noise bothers the
So
cat more than the
it'll
fire.
be neat. So when Tucker
Can you go back and wait your turn, kiddo?
you keep them warm.
No.
So they just want to see how neat they can do it. So he's through there with fire. Without fire. With fire. I mean, without fire,
No, Marcon, wait.
practice that.
But before we
That's
start the
why they're
jumping, I'm
doing
going
that.